Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to request to replace your BPI debit card online. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're wondering how to exactly request to replace your BPI debit card, well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the BPI mobile app here. And from here on, we need to discuss a few things. Now, you can only request to replace your BPI debit card if your previous one was permanently blocked. Like for example, someone hacked you, you could actually request for a replacement if that card was, again, is permanently blocked. How do you do that? So at the bottom right of the screen, go ahead and click on more. And from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and click on the option here that says debit card replacement. You want to go ahead and click on card control first. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically select our debit card here. Go ahead and click on the settings button that you see there on your debit card. And from here, you should be able to see your settings. So at the very bottom, just scroll down a bit here. You should be able to see the permanently block button. Go ahead and click on it and just agree to a few things to basically disable, or in this case, permanently block your debit card. Now, once you've done that, you can go and go back here and go back another page. Click on debit card replacement. And you should be able to see your account here that is eligible for a replacement. But yeah, in this page, go ahead and just select your account here that you want to you have your debit card replaced. And to be speaking, they might request you some details here and just agree to a few things. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Len Up. Thank you for watching.